stalwart member of the squad. Johnson as well. Paolo Torre, another previous winner in his time at Arsenal. The Sydney's captain supreme. Electing first the medal. And then the trophy itself, from second fiddle for so long in their own city, the top club in the country, Manchester City! Champions in the 20th year of the Premier League. An astonishing 20th season with a finish to it to defy belief. Let's set up these scenes. Enjoy every minute of that. It doesn't get bigger or better than this. Fitting Vincent Kompany gets that trophy. He's been a real captain, a real leader. His troops, they followed him by example.